Hello, student and friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lestari Sriulina Sinaga. Now I will explain for my midway project code. The first code is page add recipes. Uh, the purpose to create a new recipe and send it to the server. Use mutation for handling the API call to the add a recipe. XCOs for making HTTP requests. Use effect and use state for managing component state and side effects. Use navigate for navigation after a successful recipe addition and motion for animation. Form data, an object that holds the recipe's title, description, ingredients, and extract instructions. Gitu. Next, ingredients text, a string that caters user input for ingredients. A recipe and asynchronous function that sends a post request to the server with the recipe data. Use effect is monitor is success state from the mutation. If true, it navigate to the recipes list back. And animation sorry, an animation use framer motion to animate the forms and loading states and user experience. And next, add product. The purpose to add the new product to the application and the import similar to add recipes. It imports hooks and components and mutation, a function from use mutation that triggers the API call to add a product. And the next loading state, display a loading indicator while the product is being added, providing feedback to the user. And the next application, after a successful addition, it to the product list page. And the next comment the purpose to the page and display a list of comments, and the data fetching use query to the retrieve comment from the server, and loading and error handling displays loading while fetching data. And comment interaction, each comment is clickable, allowing users to navigate to detail view of the comment. And the next is add comment. Add comment, the purpose to allow the users to add comment. The set management input fields for the comment body, user ID, and post ID. And the mutation use mutation to send the comment data to the server. And form submission, the handle submit function process the form and calls mutate to add the comment, and the navigation direct to the comment list after successfully adding a comment. And the next add post. Agak lihat ke sini kali handphonenya di sini. Add post. The purpose to create new post, and the post form a post form component for user input, and the mutation sends the post data to the server using use mutation. The loading state display loading indicator during the post edition process. And the next is add to dos. Add to dos. The purpose to add the new to do items, and the form management use to do's form a component to handle user input. And the mutation sends the to do data to the server, and loading indicator shows a loading state while the to do's is being added. And the next detail comment. The purpose to fetch and allowing editing or delete a specific comment, and data fetching retrieves comment details based on the comment ID. And the update and delete provides functionality to update or delete the comment using use mutation. The navigation redirect to the comment list after actions are complete. And detail post. Detail post, the purpose to display details of specific post and the data fetching retrieves post detail using the post ID and update and delete allow users to update or delete the post and loading state shows loading message while fetching post details and details to do's. The purpose to display details of a specific to-do item and data fetching fetch to-do details based on the ID and update on delete provides option to update or delete the to-do. Loading and error handling display loading message and error notification. And the next edit product. The product purpose to edit existing product and data fetching retrieves product details for editing and mutation, sends update product data to the server and navigation redirect to the product list after successful editing. And next edit recipes. The purpose to edit existing recipes and data fetching fetch recipes detail for editing and imitation updates the recipe data on the server and navigation redirect to the recipes list after successful editing. And the next product detail. Product detail the purpose to display detailed information about a specific product and the data fetching retrieves product details using the product ID and delete functionality allows user to delete the product and loading state shows loading while fetching data. And the next recipe detail. The purpose to display detailed information about the specific recipe and data fetching retrieves recipe detail using the recipe ID and delete functionality allows user to delete the recipe and loading state display loading skeleton while fetching data. The next post. Purpose to fetch and display a list of posts and data fetching use query to retrieve posts from the user the server loading and error state so loading skeletons and error message and post interaction allows users to click on a post to view its details. And the next recipes. The recipes, the purpose to fetch and display a list of recipes and data fetching retrieves recipes for the server and loading and error states display loading skeleton and error message and recipe interaction allows user to click on a recipe to view its details. And the next to do's. To-dos to fetch and display a list of to-do items. Data fetching use query to retrieve to-dos from the server and loading and error states. So loading skeletons and error message. To-do interaction allow users to click on to-do to edit it. And the next is component. The first components form. The purpose this component is used to create or edit comments in the application. Is edit the key features is edit boolean to determine if the form is for editing an existing comment or adding a new one. And form handling use React hook form for managing form state and the validation. validation. And the next navbar. The purpose this component serves as the navigation bar for the application. And navigation links contain links to different sections of the application. And use navlink from React Router DOM to handle navigation and highlight the active link. The mobile menu implements a drop-down menu for mobile view using React, and user interaction includes a notification button and a user profile drop-down for additional user actions. And the next, post form. This component allows users to create or edit posts. The props similar to comment form, it accepts is edit, mutate, and default input data. For management, use React hook form for from state management and validation. Use effect sets initial values for the form when editing a post. And submission logic, the submission handler formats the data before sending into the server. And animations, utilize for smooth animation when the form appears. And the next, to this form. The purpose this component is for adding or editing to do items. And the state management use state to manage the title of the to do and any error message. And from submission, the handle submit function checks for empty input and calls muted to send the data. And the next, receive form. The purpose to this component allows users to create or edit recipes. And the props, similar to the other forms, it accepts is edit, mutate, and default input data. And the next, state management, use state to manage select ingredients and interaction. And from handling, use React hook form for managing form state and validation. And the next, product from. The purpose this component is used for adding or editing product, and the props accept is edit, muted, and default input data. And for management, use React hook from state management and validation, sets initial values for the form when editing a product. And the next, edit product. Purpose the component is specifically for editing existing product, and the props accept, mutate, and default input data for the product being editing. And from form management, use React hook form to manage form state and validation. Sets initial values based on the provide default input data. And the next, submission logic. The on submit function props for the confirmation before updating the product. And use mutate to send the update product data to the server. Now I can run the code. until here my presentation for my project Midweb. Thank you.